Blockchain Marketing 101, how to use NFTs and blockchain to build customer loyalty. Want to boost customer loyalty and keep them coming back? Blockchain and NFTs offer a powerful way to engage customers, create exclusive perks, and build a thriving community. Here's how it works. NFT memberships and rewards offer NFT-based loyalty cards that unlock discounts, VIP access, or exclusive perks. Customers own their rewards, making them more valuable. Blockchain-powered subscriptions. Use blockchain for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof memberships. Think prepaid coffee subscriptions, gym memberships, or VIP clubs. Exclusive experiences and perks. Reward your best customers with NFT-gated content, early access, or special events. Resellable loyalty programs. Unlike traditional rewards, NFT-based perks can be traded, gifted, or resold, adding more value to your program. Why it works. Customers feel like they own something valuable. You build a stronger, more engaged community. It creates a new revenue stream for your business. Ready to innovate your customer loyalty program? Like, share, and subscribe if you got some value from this video. Keen to learn more about blockchain marketing and loyalty applications? Comment below with yes please, and let's go.